RGB products are becoming more and more commonplace, especially in gaming setups as we move forward. And a name brand I'm seeing a lot now is Govee. A lot of people are looking for unique RGB products to lighten up their setup, so let's check something out of theirs. We're going to be talking about their Aura Table Lamp today, a RGBIC table lamp that Govee has made that has a few features up its sleeve. Let's get into it. The box that Govee gives you is obvious of quality and it's packaged nicely. Opening up the box is really simple. You just have to cut the top tab and open up through the top. Once you get in there, you'll find the manual on top. And getting further into the box, you will find another tiny box that contains the block and the cord to plug in your table lamp. And beneath that, you will find the box containing the Aura table lamp itself, which is nicely packaged and wrapped. Opening up the tiny box on top, you'll find the power brick and the power cord for the table lamp, which are also nicely wrapped up in some plastic bagging. And the lamp itself is also wrapped in a box, and then it also has some vinyl wrapping on top of it. You just have to rip it open to free it, and then finally you'll have it open. First impressions with the packaging and everything is this is definitely a high quality product. Setting it up in the app is relatively easy. Once you download the Govee app, all you have to do is right click in the top corner on the plus sign and then scroll down to indoor lighting and click the Aura table lamp on the menu. Once you're in there, it'll pop up and you just click it and it should automatically recognize it and connect to it. Once that's done, all that you have to do is give it a name and connect to your Wi-Fi, and it's all connected to your network and ready to go. In the app, you can control a lot. There's scenes, colors, and music mode. Between the scenes, there's a lot of different ones you can choose from, and they all look really nicely animated and well thought out. Between all of them, you can also find some ones like night light, reading light, and other normal typical things that you'd use for a table lamp. You also have the option of just using basic colors like normal, and you can switch through them at the top, which has some of your basic red, blue, green, and other colors, and you can also adjust the warmness and other things. And if you scroll down, you can also pick your own custom colors and use a picture to pick one too. All of these are completely customizable. You can edit the scenes and the colors. There's also the music mode, which recognizes beats and other things through either your app on your phone or the built-in one on the lamp. On top of all of this, Govee also has their own creator studio. This is where users can upload their own content in DIY modes for other users to download and use. You can see me scrolling through some of them here. Now, most of these are meant for their LED lights, but you can find some for their table lamp too, and I expect more to pop up as this becomes more popular. You can also use another DIY mode where you can put colors across a pixel grid and apply it to the lamp, and it'll put it on there and rotate it and animate it. You can pick different animations and other things with it, along with just different random animations like rainbow and other things. The app also has a functionality of timers, and you can also connect it to your smart home hubs like Alexa or Google Home and use them that way. Overall, the app that Govee has for this lamp is really well built, and I've never had a problem with it, especially with their other products that use the same app. Overall, my final thoughts on this lamp are that if you are into RGB lighting or any type of accent lighting that has a lot of customization, you should absolutely get this. Govee has been killing the RGB game recently with all of their lights, including their TV immersion lights, their RGBIC lights, and among other things. Their table lamp is absolutely no exception to the quality of their products so far that I've noticed. I've loved it on my desk, and the way that I can just paint things on it and also pick out a ton of custom scenes is just downright amazing. I've been using it for the past couple of days now, and just using it as a general desk lamp and other things has worked great, and also it's just a nice little accent piece that people like to look at. You can get it on Amazon for $60, and you can also find it on their official website for $60. And I think honestly, for that price, there's nothing else like it out on the market as of right now. So if you're looking for something to spice up your setup or just any area in general, I'd highly recommend getting this lamp. Govee's been killing it, like I said, and I don't think there's anything like it out there as of right now. Thanks for watching this review. I really appreciate it, and if you liked it, make sure to subscribe and like the video. Also, make sure to join my Discord, links in the bio, and follow me on all my other social media. See ya.